Hey everybody, welcome back to Project 365. You got Corey and Julie here from SB Pace. We're talking about planning in the month of November. Julie, what are some tips and tricks for successful strategic planning?
Well, I would say the first thing is to really understand what your, not only your revenue goals are for the time period in which you're planning, and for us, like I said, we do annual, right? So what are our revenue goals for the year, and sort of mapping back work to be able to achieve those revenue goals, but also what is your budget, right? So because it would not be uncommon to have a strategic goal. Maybe as an example, you want to implement a new ERP or get some new tools, and you're going to build some goals and plans around that. If you don't have the budget for it, then you can't do it. So understanding the budget, understanding your revenue goals, to me, those are really that's first and foremost what you want to understand before you undertake strategic planning. And then I would start looking at the functional areas and making plans for each of those. What do you say?
Don't forget about the people. When we do a lot of projects, the work that we're doing for companies is we're going to require the employees, the people in that business, to do work above and beyond what they're currently doing. So understanding like resource management, time constraints, that type of stuff, that if I'm going to require 10 hours a week of your time, I want to make sure that I'm utilizing it the best way and that it's not interfering with your day to day because you still have a business to run.
That's good. What's weird? You know what became very clear in the month of November? For some reason, like, you're more thoughtful than I am right now.
Look at that. We can all grow as people.
Or devolve.
Sure.
All right. Well, you know what? December's coming our way, and you know what December is?
Christmas month.
Yes, exactly. And December, we have a special treat for you. All right. We will see you tomorrow.